All right, so it's time for me to edit and revise my presentation. My presentation is on the Battle of Fort Sumter. So Miss Antuna says that I have to first read over your writing. Did you capitalize the beginning of every sentence? All right, let me start reading. This is the beginning of a sentence right here. My sentence starts here. Did I capitalize it? Yes. Let me go to the next sentence. Here's the beginning of my next sentence. Did I capitalize it? Yes. Where does my sentence begin here? This is the end of my sentence. So the sentence and right period, the next sentence starts here. Did I capitalize it? Nope. I need to correct that. Capital B. Awesome. All right. Did I capitalize the beginning of every sentence? Yes, I did. Thank you. Okay. Read over your writing. Did you capitalize the names of people, places, and things? Okay. The Battle of Fort Sumter. Oh, okay. Battle of Fort Sumter is a thing because it's a specific battle. So it should be capitalized. Good to capitalize. Battle. Was the first battle, battle. Do I capitalize battle? Well, here, battle is a random battle. It was just the first battle. It's like pizza, like the first pizza. Do I capitalize pizza? No. So I don't capitalize battle here. Okay. Of the Civil War. Oh, that's a specific war. Capitalize Civil War. Okay. It took place on an island in South Carolina. Ooh, South Carolina is a state. My cousin lives there. That's a specific place. Gotta capitalize it. No one died in the battle. Okay, there's no specific people, places, or things there. Before the Battle of Fort Sumter, Battle of Fort Sumter, we already went over. That needs to be capitalized. I'm catching so many mistakes. Awesome. South Carolina, oh, we know that's a specific place. Gotta capitalize. Seceded from the United States. Oh, there's only one United States, so it should be capitalized. And Union troops. Oh, Union, that was a specific group of troops. The Union troops, capitalize Union. Refused to leave, and then Union troops, so again, capitalize Union. In fort, were running out of supplies. That's just a fort, like a house. Would I capitalize house, my house? No, because that's a random fort. So, did I capitalize the names of people, places, and things? Yes. So am I done with capitalizing? Yes. Pat myself on the back. Okay. Go to the next one. Spelling. Read over your writing. Did you spell all words correctly? Especially words that are in your research. Okay, Ms. Antunes, let's see. The Battle of Fort Sumter was the first battle of the Civil War. It took place, they're helping me out. I can tell that's spelled wrong. Place. On an island in South Carolina. No one died in the battle. Before the Battle of Fort Sumter, South Carolina seceded. Ooh, that's spelled wrong. So I'm press Control. Seceded. Seceded from the United States, and Union troops refused to leave. Leave? I meant leave. Oh, look at that. And the computer didn't catch that it was a mistake because I spelled leaf right, like the tree leaf. But I meant refused to leave. And then Union troops in fort were running out of supplies. Okay. Did I check my spelling? Yes. And I even caught a mistake that the computer didn't catch. Really good job. Okay. Punctuation. Read over your writing. Did you use periods at the end of the sentence? Do you need to break up a sentence because it's too long? All right. The Battle of Fort Sumter was the first battle of the Civil War. I'm taking a breath, which means that I should put a period. Okay. Let's see if the next sentence makes sense. It took place on an island in South Carolina. Can that be its own sentence? It took place on an island in South Carolina? Yes. So these are two separate sentences. All right. No one died in the battle. Before the Battle of Fort Sumter, South Carolina seceded from the United States, and Union troops refused to leave, and then Union troops in fort were running out of supplies. Whoa. That seems like a sentence that's too long. Let me see. Where could I add a period? Before the Battle of Fort Sumter, South Carolina seceded from the United States, and Union troops refused to leave. And then, maybe I don't have a second and I put a period. Then I could take this and away. Then Union troops in fort were running out of supplies. Okay, that sounds better. So I checked my punctuation. Give myself a high five. Yeah. Clarity. Read over your writing. Does your writing make sense? Do you need to change the wording or other words to make it make sense? Okay. The Battle of Fort Sumter was the first battle of the Civil War. It took place on an island in South Carolina. That makes sense. No one died in the battle. Okay. Before the Battle of Fort Sumter, South Carolina seceded from the United States, and Union troops refused to leave. Union troops refused to leave South Carolina? No, I think I meant the fort. Union troops refused to leave the fort. Okay, that makes more sense. Then Union troops in fort were running out of supplies. That's not how I talk. Then Union troops in forts. Then Union troops in the fort. Didn't catch that mistake earlier. All right, so now does it make sense? Yes. Wow, okay. How many times did Miss Antunes read over her writing? How many times? Did you catch having the number? Let's see.